Good time then to bring in Gargi and chat about the unusual movers in trade. Gargi, what is it that you've spotted?
Well, look at a Shriram Transport, a good move on that counter. In fact, in the BSE 100 space, one of the top gainers that you can see. Piramal Group in talks to buy a TPG stake in the company, about 3,500 crore worth is the stake. The stake is valued. It's about 20.5% equity that we are talking about, and the valuation about 3,500 crores. And if you look at the stock today, about 2% increase. Volumes also looking pretty strong if you compare it with the last week's average. In fact, volumes have been gaining some momentum over the last week for Shriram Transport. And so has the price. If you look at a 1 week change also, it will show you the increase that we've seen over the last 5 trading sessions. Also take a look at few of the oil stocks, a BPCL, an HPCL and a Cain. All oil related stocks are seeing some kind of pressure, about a percent decrease coming in on most of these, 0.3% on BPCL, HPCL about 0.5%, Cain also declining about in the same range. In fact, globally also we have seen some pressure building in on oil stocks, a sell-off coming in there. But more or less this looks like a sentiment driven selling than any other news trigger that we are seeing on these counters. Also take a look at NMDC, about a percent increase on this counter too. Remember iron ore prices which had been under pressure over the last 2 to 3 months. Some improvement seen in the global markets, some positive data coming out of China, that's also supporting iron ore prices. Globally prices are trading at almost an 8-month high, and NMDC's board meet on 2nd January going to discuss the prices for the month of Jan 2013. Probably an increase that we're expecting there. On the back of that, some build up, about 1.8% increase on NMDC right now.